Hello everyone, this is Imam Tariq and you are watching Need to Know. In today's class, I will explain how to get elevation from Google Earth along with coordinates at multiple points using contour mapping and 3D modeling, etc. Actually, we used to get coordinates from Google Earth easily at multiple points, but it is not easy to extract the elevation at those coordinates. So today I will discuss in detail and step-by-step procedure. Before starting the lecture, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit from it. Thank you. Let's start our lecture. First of all, open your Google Earth by double clicking. When you open your Google Earth, go to your desired location. For this, you can use search bar. In search bar, you put coordinates of your desired location or the name and click on search. Upon clicking, the Google Earth will take you to your desired location. Here I use one random point, random location for taking points. Select add path and give any name of your choice. Here I use learning. After giving name, I start taking points. These are the points. This is the area I select. Now I start taking points. But keep it in mind that the accuracy of the data depends on the number of points you are taken and how close you are take these points. If your points are closed, no structure, depression or elevation will be missed. As this is learning class, I will not take so much time on it and I will save this by clicking OK. After clicking OK, I will again save this location where I take the points as KML file. So for this I right click on it, save place as. Here I click at this region. There already select KML, but sometime here mention KMZ. So you need to click at this point and select the KML, select the location, file location, and click on save. Now you can see we save our desired location and KML format with the name learning. Now the next step is to convert this KML file to GPX file using GPS visualizer. For GPS visualizer, you go to your browser, click on search bar, type GPS visualizer. Here you can see this is GPS visualizer. It will take you to the website of GPS visualizer. Here you can see a lot of other options, but we need to select lookup elevation because we are interested in elevation. So when I click on lookup elevation, I go to this window. It will take me to this window. Here I select my file, the KML file I save at desktop with the name learning. So this is the file. I select this and upload. The file upload complete. Now I convert this file and add elevation by clicking this button. When you click on this button, after 5 to 6 seconds, it will give you the file in JPX format. Here is the preview. Here is the link for download. You click on the link. So you will see here the file, your file in JPX. You see, as downloaded. Now open the folder, cut the file and paste it on desktop. Here you rename it with learning again, or this is I rename this with learning. You may replace with your desired name you want, your choice name. So now you can see the KML file which we can get from the Google Earth, and we convert this file to GPX format by using GPX visualizer. Now we convert this GPX file to Excel file. For this we need TCX converter. You go to your browser, type TCX converter, click on it, and from here you can download it in free. When you click on it, it will download automatically. After downloading, you can install. As I have installed already, I go to open by double clicking the TCX converter. If you are experiencing the TCX converter at the first time, maybe the language will be other language than English. You go to the right corner, click on the language button, and convert it to English or any other your desired language, available desired language. Now upload the file by clicking open file. Here you see for the GPX learning file. This is the file we save on desktop. Open and upload. Here you can see it will measuring. Now you see then the preview latitude, longitude, altitude. So these are a lot of points as we take multiple points at our location. So for every single point we have coordinates along with elevation. Now we can save this in Excel format by clicking on Save CSV File. Click on it, give location, save. Here you click on No button so that your file save in a proper manner in Excel. Now it's complete. You can see this. Let's save with the name Learning again. Now you can see the KML file converted first to GPX using GPS visualizer, and then TCX converter. We use to convert the GPX to Excel file. Now we can open the Excel file. We can delete all undesired cell and only leave these three: latitude, longitude, and altitude. I delete all other extra informations because we need these three values for our contour map, for 3D modeling, or for any other purpose. So save it and desktop again, replace yes and no. Now you can save this file. When you save your Excel file, you can see this is in this way we can extract the elevation along with coordinates for so many points at our desired area. Now this data is used for contouring and for 3D modeling, for any other purpose. I will show you at next class how we can construct a contour map or 3D model. Different software are used for this purpose, but I will show you at Surfer 16 in my next class. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Thank you. Take care.